picture of diabetes. Oh, dude, I took this photo freaking. I mean, you don't know how hard it was for me to actually get a photo of her in an entire frame, you know? Ha 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 ha. You mad or nah?
No, Fielder.
I think you are mad. Dude, it's alright. You know how I get rid of madness when I'm mad?
How you feeling?
I punch kittens.
Fielder.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag? Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, bike gang.
Let's go, Fielder.
Wait, are you already on it?
Yeah.
We're on the actual track. Fielder! Alrighty, are we ready, Chase?
Yeah, man.
Happy
Oh,
New
microphone.
Year! We got it. Hey! Don't make me kill us both, Fielder.
Oh, we're going.
Alright, no hitting.
Yay!
No,
Wait! You
no.
got to run it.
Game
You
chat.
got-
Failure! See, we
We can
just
just
cheated
walk
the
it.
system, Chase. We cheated the
We're
system.
not a part
Failure.
of this. Wait, no, go back.
Ah,
Oh
failure!
God! What? Alright,
Fail-
David. Let's go back down here and we'll wait for it.
Ah! Failure! I fail, failure! I fail!
Oh my God, dude. Oh, my bike's still here. Alright. I'm gonna go meet Michael real quick with the bike.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
What, failure?
I almost dropped my bike in the ocean.
Haha, failure. That'd be fun.
Drop in the ocean. A change in the weather. I was praying that you and me might end up together.
I'm
I
Jesus
know.
Christ.
See, I was on the ride the entire time.
Yeah.
What? Oh.
You just laid back.
I'm back.
I call Fern. I call Fern. I call Fern. I call
But I
Fern.
want front.
But I want Fern. Well, I'm getting the Fern. Ferner.
Well, you know what, David? I'm gonna sit on your penis.
Ooh. I want Fern. Oh,
Oh, what?
what?
You saw the KR Speedy video, right, homie?
I actually, Michael and I just did it. We did the same
Yeah.
thing. We ran it in Shaggy Center.
I just can't wait to get you on the plug.
Whee!
No,
Yay!
I'm not gonna be. Wait, lower hands, lower. I'm not being a part of the system.
Go to game chat in the house.
I
No.
don't want to. I'm not doing that.
It only gives you 10 RP. It's not worth it.
Woo!
Woo!
And that was probably worse. That's right, worse than like those small little like caterpillar roller coasters. They have it circuit
Yeah.
like carnivals for little kids.
Uh-oh, this is the best part. Woo! It's over.
I go on them, Chase, and they are scary.
I
Uh-oh.
know.
Are we
They
ready?
are.
We're
I
gonna
went
get
on one with
busy.
Ricky once because Ricky actually like his dad bought us both our wristbands. So I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. Anyways, I went on it and I screamed really loud. Like, I was sitting next to probably an 8-year-old kid, and he's like laughing and stuff, but I was like, ah!
And do you know what's even more American than roller coasters?
What? Ferris wheel?
Having sex with your
Ferris
cousin.
wheel, Ferris wheel. Oh, stop. I'm out. I'm leaving you.
I want to ride the Ferris wheel with you.
No, I'm done.
Wow.
Fuck you.
No, let me ride the Ferris wheel with you.
I don't.
No!
Wait, I think you can get in. Okay.
I just want to ride the Ferris wheel with you.
I think it's broken, David. It's not working.
I might just kill. Alrighty, it's stopping.
Come on, I'm so close to getting out, David.
Heh, failure. Hey, are you the one that keeps my friend hostage on this Ferris wheel? Fuck you.
Yeah.
Knocked his ass
Wait, what the
right
hell?
out.
Oh, okay, here it is. I just say, are they seriously not letting me out again?
I
Yes,
like. Uh-oh, we need to go into.
All over, David.
I'm gonna
Whoa.
ask you to, eat my nuts and fidget.
Okay, we're at the waypoint. Dude, what are you doing? You're passing it.
That's not the cargo bib.
That's where you can get a cargo bob.
We have to go over here.
Wow, dude, that guy totally did not look
Over.
behind him.
Go fuck yourself, copper.
David, the cops, David, pull over.
Alrighty.
All over.
Ah, sorry. What the heck?
But I ask you
I'm not
about
so
that.
sure that
Who
I'm
did?
not so sure this guy's a cop anymore.
Wait, did somebody
Get
join?
out of your cars, please.
Uh-oh. Capper?
Hey,
Yes, sir.
arrest this man. Take his car to the
Go.
Get on the floor.
I just had to park it better, David.
Get
Like
on the
this way.
floor.
How do I do that? I can put my hands up. I can't get on the floor, though.
Put your hands up.
Go in stealth mode. Go in stealth mode.
Yeah.
Alright, wait. How do I do this? Go into stealth
On
mode?
stealth mode.
Alright, I'm in stealth mode. Hey! You dirty kid.
I'm a sheriff.
Aye.
Oh.
And you know
I
them.
want to be the only deputy
Your car is
in
so
California.
David that they can't even bust you a fin.
We got this,
Alright.
failure.
We just needed a running start.
Yeah, even though we.
Oh
Damn it.
my god. Okay, wait. Go.
Wow, fuck her.
We got some air right there. You see that, David?
Yeah, failure.
This means nothing.
I'm gonna land in the back of your truck. I'm on.
All I wanted was a smile. All I wanted was a kiss. All I want.
One more little loop-de-loop. You just squirted up blood, David, when you did that. Oh. Just like sitting there.
Wait,
That's
Michael, stop for a
me.
sec.
Oh, I thought you talking about me right here, failure.
Okay,
Ready?
wait. Yeah. I'm gonna wait till you start. Yeah. Street lights, people. See, this is how we go on tours worldwide. We walk. We walk and we play.
Ow, shit. Ow!
What? Are you serious?
Oh, damn.
Oh.
Burned him.
If I'm a die, I'm a die like a patriot.
Oh shit, Michael, I'm sorry.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Yeah, oh.